Hello everybody and welcome to my packing party. So today's video is gonna be a little different. It's gonna be a boxing video, so I'm going to pack many different Japanese things into a box and kind of explain what each of them are. For example, treats and trinkets, and then I'm going to ship it off to my sister. We are exchanging boxes, so please look out for my next video, which will be an traditional unboxing video. And it will be coming straight from Ohio. But without further ado, let's get started! Okay, first things first. We got a hoppy. A hoppy is a summer robe worn during summer festivals in Japan. It is super cute and I can't wait to see you in it. There you go. Let's put it in the box. Next, let me reach over here. Okay. I have a book for my mom or for my sister. I mean, both of them could use it. It's a wonderful book. Actually, I recommend both of you read it twice. Here you go. The next one is this cup. It's very cute. It's for tea, and I even put a little bit of candy in there. Next up, I know it looks delicious, but please don't eat it. It's a squishy. So this is great for relieving stress. They're really popular in Japan, actually. Very cute, very, very kawaii. You can squish it to relieve all of your stress, so it will be very useful to my sister who's in college. Also, it has a very nice matcha tea cream with a chestnut and red bean filling. So yeah, I'll put that right in there for you. Enjoy. Next up, we got some Disney Japan stickers. Very cute, very Japan, and I thought my sister would love them because she is a Disney fanatic. Next, we got this cute little wind chime. These wind chimes are super popular in Japan during summer, so you can hang it up and hear this beautiful sound. Next, we got this cute little hairpin. Usually girls wear these when they're wearing their kimonos, but you can wear it at any time. It's very cute and very Japan. Here you go. Next, we got a little Disney silicone cup cover, so you can put this on your hot drink and make sure it stays hot. Next, we got a little rice shaper, so you can make a cute little Mickey Mouse out of your rice. I don't know how much rice you make, but maybe this will make you make a little bit more. Next is one of my favorite snacks in Japan. It's just like oishi potato, tasty potato. This one's ruby chocolate. Ruby chocolate is actually pretty expensive in Japan, so it's kind of like a ruby chocolate tax. Anyway, you should definitely try this. It's very unique. Next, we got this ramune. I would recommend freezing this and then eating it. It looks like it would taste better that way, but you know, that's just me. Next, we got some puffed rice with a cute little pudding character on it. So cute. Next, we got this Starbucks origami personal drip coffee. Okay, so when you use this, you have to make like a little origami thing, and you pour hot water into the top and it will make your coffee. Here we have some delicious shrimp chips. These are a really popular snack. All my kids love these. Next up is another popular snack. It's basically ramen, but you don't put any water with it. You just eat it how it is, and it's so good. Like the perfect salty snack. So yeah, give that a try. The next one is a studying charm. So it's an amulet for scholastics. Next, you got a cookie with cheese and sake. So try that one. Next, we have this pop-up memo. It's Disney, and you fold the memo over and the Disney princesses stick out. It's really cute. You should try it. So you just fold it and then yeah. It's so cute. Next, we got a fan for the summertime. So it's very cute. It has some hanabi fireworks on it. Next we got, I actually am not totally sure what this is, but I thought it was super cute because it looks like a cart banner. Next we have a magnet, it's super cute, and some cookies. Put those in there, nice and tight. Next we got this little cute snack pocket. I just thought the packaging was adorable on this one. Here are a few. Next up we got senbei. Oh, I love these. Basically, you're supposed to have these with beer, but you can have them by themselves. And this is a rice cracker. That's really good too. Okay, that's all for that box. Next, let's move on to the next box. So this is our bonus box. In here I have a book for my mom. I kind of snuck this one in here. And the rest of the box is going to be for my dad. My dad has been asking for so much bug stuff. So here are some of the things that I got for him. So we got some sticks, some mulch. This is for keeping insect mat moist. And over here we have some anti-mite deodorant, so you put that in the cage too. And here, this one was expensive, but this one is for preserving insects, so I know my dad will probably use that one. Next we got some larvae food for beetles. I even found a beetle bath bomb, so you put it in the bath and then a beetle comes out of it. It's kind of cute. And there's all your choices of beetles. So detailed. Man, Japanese kids love beetles. Next we got these gel bubble tea looking balls that are used to also retain water in the cage. This one is for my little brother. He puts them in water and then they expand to these big beetles. Lastly, we have a wooden natural bug jelly holder. You put the jelly inside, and that's all. Now let's pack this up and let's take them to the post office. Currently, I'm walking to Luna's with 2 boxes. Yeah, it's fun. So, I was packing the boxes and I realized that I have no packing tape. So now I am at Luna's and I just did the packing tape on the boxes and yeah, let me show that again without the slips. And now we're gonna head over to the post office. Hello, Luna.
Hi.
Where'd you go?
Stop the video for a second.
Nanda! Might be the first and last time that I ever send a package. Right, Luna?
I feel stressed by proxy.
Today I tried to send the package and we got here at 1:30 and now it is 3, I believe. And yeah, we just finished and it was ridiculous and they so much miscommunication and just so I don't even know. Honestly, I'll just be happy. I'll just be happy if my packages come to my family's house. Like, I don't even know if they will, to be honest. If not, I'm sorry, you know, but just wait for Christmas. I'll bring stuff then, but this is never happening again. Oh my God.
How many items do you have in your box? You can't have more than 20 items. How much does it weigh?
So much bureaucracy. It's crazy. Now I'm just gonna want to eat my feelings. Okay, well, this is great. I hope you enjoy the stuff you get in your box whenever it comes. I'm sure if this video is posted, you have gotten the stuff, or you have not gotten the stuff for at least 6 months. So here it is. Anyway, thank you very much, and let's say goodbye, Luna. Goodbye.
Bye.